Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gustong personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Friend ko yun guys, open sa personal reading. Ako kung gusto niyo sa akin. Meron din po ako astrological palm reading at saka tarot reading. If you want, doon na lang po kayo mag-inquire sa aming Facebook page, Madam Space P. Lagyan mo na lang din ng space pa sa dulo para ma-search mo. Madam P, yun yung pinaka-Facebook page namin. Tapos, ako sa Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire sa akin. Okay, yung products namin available, Unipri sa TikTok shop, UNIPRI. Let's start your reading. Pag di ka nakaka-relate sa reading, ibig sabihin hindi para sa'yo itong messages dito. Ibigay mo sa iba. Okay? So, ganun lang yun. Mag-comment sana po kayo dyan sa baba. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yun. I really do love your comments, reading your comments. Page of Swords, Three of Cups, Five of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Two of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, you are feeling like parang ikaw ay na-betrayed, naloko, nagamit. Yung iba sa inyo maybe with this Three of Cups, pwedeng friend ito. Or, I don't know, yung iba maybe money, may involvement ng money. Or katrabaho, empleyado, someone na parang pinagkatiwalaan mo. Yeah. And then, may kinuha siya sa'yo or may ninakaw or may ginamit siya sa'yo or you feel like nagamit ka nitong taong ito. And, yeah. And, yung iba, gusto mong makuha kung ano yun sa'yo. Pero parang, sa ngayon wala kang ginagawa regarding doon. Or hinahayaan mo na lang. That's your main energy. Sino yung person na kakonect mo? But you're really sad sa kung ano man ito, ano yung ginawa sa'yo. Parang malungkot ka or somehow naka-feel ka dito ng parang hindi mo akalain na magagawa or gagawin sa'yo ito. So anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with? Yung iba sa inyo, you're thinking of maglipat ng home or maybe ng career, to start fresh. Or yung iba, pwedeng kung hindi man ikaw yung mismong lilipat, maybe part of your home or your career ang gusto mong magsimula ulit or mag-start ulit sa simula. Parang ganun. Or you want them out of your life. And sino to person na connect mo? Page of Swords, masyado ka kasing naging immature or hindi ka masyado nag-isip sa hindi ko to kukunin masyadong marami. Hindi ka masyadong nag-isip about dito sa situation na ito. Person na kakonect mo, the Death card, that is Scorpio energy, Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Major Arcana, the Death card, Two of Swords is here. The High Priestess. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng spiritually connected ka dito sa taong to. Bottom of the deck is the Fool. Yeah, there's this Page of Swords. You could be dealing with someone na parang medyo bata or katulad mo mag-isip, pwedeng ganun. Or pwedeng medyo bata. Yung iba pwedeng kaedaran mo. Four of Cups, parang itong person na to is hindi siya sure kung i-accept niya yung offer mo. So, there's some kind of offer. Or maybe, yung person na to, if wala ka namang offer, this could be love. Parang siyang hindi siya sigurado if you really appreciate him or her, kung mahal mo pa ba siya or mahal mo ba siya. Hindi niya alam kung nagiging totoo ka ba sa kanya or what. The Death card is here. This is Scorpio energy. This person wants I feel like this person wants to be happy. And parang gusto niya, in order to be happy, kailangan makita niya muna yung ending of something, like maybe a decision or a situation. Itong person na to with the Page of Cups, I feel like gusto ka niya, gusto ka niya. And pwedeng may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa or very, uh, napakadali na kumunik sa kanya kasi pwedeng ang gaan niya kausap or what. Yung iba, this could be a new connection. Pero kasi parang hindi siya sigurado eh. Pwedeng may other options pero hindi siya interesado dun sa ibang options. Emotions mo for this person. Okay, I will not take this. Ito lang. King of Wands, Six of Cups, and Four of Cups. Okay. Eight of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. Emotion ng person nito for you, for the sign of Virgo. Emotion niya para sa'yo. For the sign of Virgo, emotion niya para sa'yo. Okay. Over the Chariot, at the bottom of the deck. Six of Cups, okay. Nine of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Cancer is here. Could be dealing with the water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. With the King of Wands, I feel like ikaw yung kahit mahirap ipupush or nilalaban mo or pinupush mo itong connection ninyo. I feel like with the Six of Cups, hindi ka na natatakot sa kung ano man yung mangyayari in the future. Like, I will do this, gagawin ko to, etc. And you're already getting out of, situation, place, na pwedeng you feel like wala na akong mapapala dito. Okay, or maybe a person, people in your life. And then yung pag-iwas, pag-alis mo na sa kanila. Four of Cups is here. I feel like there's some kind of celebration here. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo recently, may mga celebration na pinuntahan, okasyon. Anyway, ang emotions, sa ngayon wala akong nakita. Emotions mo dito nakikita ko is that you are valuing yourself. And nakikita mo yung halaga mo ngayon, and you feel like kung hindi ka belong doon, aalis ka na lang or aalisan mo na lang. Pag naramdaman mong hindi ka na belong or hindi ka na dapat pang nandun sa sitwasyon na yon. So I can see you doing that. And whatever it is na inaalisan mo, it is for yourself. So ngayon, you value yourself. No? Wait lang guys. Okay, so medyo inayos ko lang yung camera. I don't know if you really do like food. Some of you mahilig ka talaga sa pagkain. Six of Cups, actually dalawa yung Six of Cups dito. Nag-mirror kayo dito. You could be dealing with a twin flame, or six is a very balanced number, so you could be dealing with maybe a Libra or a Gemini, Cancer. Anyway, this person is willing siyang ibigay lahat sa'yo. This person loves you. Pero pwedeng yung mga binibigay niya, ginagawa niya, sinasabi niya is hindi mo masyadong maintindihan. Or hindi mo ito nakikita as something na parang importante, or maybe for this person is pretty much big na, or malaking bagay para sa kanya yung puwedeng kung may effort siya, yung effort na pinapakita niya para sa kanya, effort na talaga 'to. Kasi hindi ko naman 'to gagawin kung hindi ako, interesado sa'yo, kung hindi kita gusto. So, gusto ka talaga nitong taong 'to. Nine of Pentacles. This person is like a friend, acting like a friend to you. Financially, puwedeng nandiyan din siya for you. And this person is someone who is very happy pagdating sa mga success mo sa buhay. Seven of Wands is here. I feel like may mga gusto siyang matutunan. Like katulad mo, meron siyang may mga wait lang, nahilo ako. Hindi ko alam kung nasa biyahe ka ba ngayon, like nasa sasakyan. Nakaramdam ako ng parang nakaupo sa sasakyan, or maybe a bus, a jeep, ganun. This could be a reading. Or maybe you're listening while you are, driving, ganun. So anyway, Seven of Wands. Sobrang, etong person na to gusto niyang iayos yung sarili niya. Katulad mo kasi ikaw you are focusing on pag-aayos sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? And ito person to gusto niya rin munang ayusin yung sarili niya. Andiyan lang siya to support you. Andiyan lang siya to support you. And I'm seeing, the Chariot is here. So, pwedeng this person loves to travel. Or pwedeng may usapan kayo regarding car, sasakyan, pagta-travel, pagda-drive. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Bottom of the deck, you do have your Temperance. You do have the Eight of Wands, the Death card. And the Four of Wands. In the near future, para sa inyong dalawa. Two of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. Sobrang iba yung pakaramdam mo ngayon. Parang nahihilo ako, sa totoo lang. So, hindi ko talaga alam. You could be in a place, or this could be a person na nasa place na nakakahilo. Like, everything is moving. Yan. Nakakaramdam ako ngayon ng seasick. Alam mo yan. Pwedeng ikaw ay nasa ship, boat, and you're sailing. I don't know. I'm feeling seasick right now. Okay, Eight of Wands. There's major transformation para sa'yo kahit wala kang gawin. Talagang yung transformation mangyayari sa buhay mo. Death card, this is Scorpio energy. I can see rebirth. I can see you na parang from hindi magandang image, magiging mas magandang image mo in the future kahit wala kang gawain. It's like kusa na lang magiging maganda ang tingin ng tao sa'yo. And you have to be more patient. Huwag kang magmadali sa mga bagay-bagay. Pagdating sa family, ganun din. Pwedeng yung family mo will see you as someone na parang kahanga-hanga, dapat tularan. And then the person that you're dealing with, unfortunately, nakita tayo ng mga financial problem para sa kanya. Pero pwedeng maging malaki ang tulong mo sa kanya, or tulungan mo siya regarding dito financially, or maybe may kinalaman sa career, work, ganyan. Six of Pentacles. You are, there's a lot of help, give and take sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. More on financial na pagtutulungan sa inyong dalawa in the near future. So, yun nga. Sa ngayon, just do what you do best. And, kung ano man yung mga connection na meron ka ngayon, basta okay ito. Huwag ka magmadali. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.